Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. So you may no longer want your Instagram and Facebook account linked for many reasons. I will show you how to unlink this in both the Instagram app and also Facebook as well. So start by showing you how you can go and unlink your Instagram from Facebook in Facebook. So to do that, all you need to do is open the Facebook application and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on this settings and privacy. Now tap on this settings and you can see this option account center. We can also go and get the account center on Instagram. So simply go to Instagram, tap on your profile picture and then simply tap on this account center as well. And then if you go and click on profiles at the top, you are going to see the profiles you have and you can add more accounts. But in this case, to unlink it, what you need to do is come back to the main account center page and go to the bottom and click on this accounts like this, and then you can see all of your accounts. And what we then need to do is go and remove a profile. So if you want to remove your Facebook or Instagram, it doesn't really make a difference. In this case, I'll just do the Facebook one. So click on remove and then what you need to do is confirm that you are sure. So I want to remove it. Instagram go and give you some alternatives, but I definitely want to remove it, and then it's going to go and show you what you are going to lose access to. Once again, I'm sure. So I will then go and click on continue, and then what you should do is go and read through all this info, and if you are sure you want to go and unlink, click on this yes remove, and as you can see the profile has been removed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.